How to see your password of Google account using PC. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna look up on a method on how we can use our PC in order to see the password of our Gmail account. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. So first thing first, open up your browser and log in into your Google account, your Gmail account. After logging into a Gmail account, you should be able to see this kind of interface on your screen. So here, I want you to go to your profile. You can see this profile option at the top right. I want you to tap on edit Google account. After that, just tap on your profile and tap on edit profile and wait for it to be loaded. After loading, you will be able to see this kind of interface. So I want you to go to the left side of the screen and you can see this personal info section where I want you to scroll down until you see password. So just scroll down until you see password. So unfortunately, Google doesn't have the feature of showing your password. You may just tap on the password and you can see a password section. Here you may just re-enter your password in order to change it. For that you need to remember, of course. So if you want, you may just assume the password you want by seeing the number of characters there, and just like that you may just do it, but we don't really have the feature. You may just tap on forget password if you want to set your password and set up a new password for your Gmail account. So in this way you can use a Google account to see your password. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.